Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizka Kurniawati, and now I want to tell you about how to use hot potatoes. Okay, for the first, I want to introduce this application. And this application is application to make assessment for student. Okay, before that, you have to download or install this application in your PC, and then after that you have to open this application. And before you see this this uh, this this look or this option, this application will ask you to fill your name and your password, and then you can see the screen: check close, check math, check quiz, check cross, and check mix, and then the measure, check quiz, multiple choice and short answer, and then check clues, cap cap, fill exercise, and then JMix, jumbled sentence or jumbled word exercise, and then check uh, crossword questions, and then JMix for option for alternative sentence. Okay, you can see that, and then okay, finish, and that's all that I can present to you. And thank you for your nice attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.